Lions Club mu district ya Mitoma batayire mbohe ezo mu cyome cya Rukukuru bazihumuriza babahane ibintu byo koresa kandi okutayo kwembirwe district governor wabo
abantu barebekaje baba kigambere tubyaba Lions Club ntuyamba abatakweyamba. Anyway, we serve the less fortunate than ourselves, so we saw it wise to come and kuija tukabarebaho.
Clubs International was started by a businessman called Melvin Jones. Melvin Jones called his fellow businessmen and told them that outside their businesses, where they get financial support, are communities which were actually underserved with basic necessities. He asked them, why can't we come together and see how to help them?
Bare mukama washirize cyahandikirwe ngo nkabandi yo mucome mwija mwandeba kama tatu mbabazi nyingi tukusima ahabwa abantu abana ahabwa amagaragabo kandi nkusimira Lions Club of Mitoma ahabwa mutuma go kuhura bine okureba aba less fortunate
abahona batayire n'amashimiro gataragamwe na gamwe babyaremeti ngakamanyiso ko kurinde byo bahangwa.
And dear president and your team, for the trees that you have given Ruhinda Secondary School,
appeal to you is join Lions Club. I first, we have so many Lions clubs around Governor. The first time I saw a Leo club and I was actually very happy and excited.
District Governor Simera ba Lions Club muri Mitoma kandi yabashabo kongera amano muhuru yo kurinda byo bahangwa.
I think the meeting that we have had today was not only it demanded a lot of things. It demanded mentorship, it demanded training, so many things.
Gashakwa Ben Muhozi.